So these are our modular mates. So if you guys want to save your food, no more stale chips, no more rock hard brown sugar. Where's my brown hard rock sugar? I don't know where mine is. Oh, so if your brown sugar looks like this in your cupboard, you need some modular mates. This is why I love our brown sugar and our modular mates. Absolutely soft. This has been in there for months because we don't use tons of brown sugar unless it's the holidays. So airtight seals. Always make sure that you are washing them as soon as you get there. Get them there. If you have a dishwasher, perfect. Put your seals up on the top, your containers either on the top or the bottom. Turn off your heated element in your dishwasher. As soon as it's done, bring them out. Grab your microfiber towel, dry them off, and put them on.